way. The Discovery Club, bound to learn all day. The Discovery Club, adventures on the way. The Discovery Club, come join us, hooray! The Discovery Club.
ACHOO! Bless you. Why do we sneeze? It might sound funny, but your body has a really smart reason for doing it. Sneezing is like your nose's way of cleaning up. When tiny things like dust, pollen, or even pepper get into your nose, your body goes, nope, that doesn't belong here. Your nose sends a message to your brain. Emergency, we've got invaders. And the brain says, time to sneeze. Your chest gets ready, your eyes close, and your body takes a deep breath. Then, boom, you let out a big sneeze. Achoo! That powerful blast pushes out all the bad stuff, like a superhero cleaning up your nose. So next time you sneeze, remember, your nose is just doing its job. Isn't the human body amazing? Want to learn more fun science facts? Subscribe and join our next adventure.